Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good morning, Mr.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Just a minute. Okay, let's start. So today we're gonna continue revising our material. So if you know the answer, raise your hand as usual. Okay, please participate. And if you have any question or something is not clear, okay, you can ask, okay? Okay, guys,
Okay, Mr.
let's start here. So now we ask, which of the following is not true of metallic minerals? Which of these cannot consider metallic minerals? Yes,
يا
Ganna?
مستر صوتك عالي مستر.
Who's talking?
Me.
So why are you talking in this way?
Your voice is loud.
So you can say your sound is loud, easier. It's not that way you are talking in. Yes?
Yes.
So here we said that in which of the following, okay, is not true of metallic minerals? Yes, Ganna?
B. They
B.
do not conduct heat. Right?
They do not conduct heat, okay? Yep, okay, because we know that all metals, they are good conductors of heat. So that's our choice, good. Then let's pass to question number 2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mineral? Which of these is not a characteristic of mineral? The others, guys, please, okay? Other people, share us. Okay. Let's see. Yes, Rahma?
It is a living material.
It's a living material because we know that one of the characteristics of mineral to be inorganic, that means it's not related to living organism or is not formed in living organism body. Good. Then question 3. What are the two major groups of minerals? We classify minerals into two major categories, which are, yes, Muhammad?
Metallic and non-metallic.
Actually not. The two major groups, okay, of minerals, we classify minerals into,
Silicate and non-silicate.
yes, silicate and non-silicate. Don't forget it, easy, yes. So the grouping silicate and non-silicate minerals are based on, so we classify the minerals into silicate and non-silicate based on, yes, Pomika?
Chemical composition.
Yes, good. Their chemical composition, of course. Sorry, just a minute. I don't know. Yep. Then question 5. A silicate mineral must contain, to classify a mineral as a silicate mineral, it must contain what? Okay. Yes, Ibrahim.
Silicon and oxygen.
Silicon and oxygen. So it must contain silicon and oxygen to be classified as silicate mineral. Good. So non-silicate minerals, the non-silicate minerals, let's see, Ahmed Ali.
Yes, Mr.
Non-silicate minerals.
Non-silicate minerals that do include the native elements.
Yes, include native elements. Okay, so no one, okay, select do not contain oxygen, because we know that non-silicate, they contain oxygen too, like silicate, but they do not contain silicon. Okay, that's why we could find a whole category called oxides in non-silicate minerals. Okay, so no one make a mistake and choose do not contain oxygen, because there is an entire group of non-silicate minerals called oxides. Okay, so here the choice is include native elements, because we know that the non-silicate minerals, they contain different groups. One of them is the native elements. Good. Question 7. In addition to this one is cancelled. Okay. The color of the powder that minerals leaves on a piece of white unglazed porcelain is called the, what we call this property of a mineral? Yes, Subh?
Streak.
Good, streak. Okay. So then, which of the following is not a true of minerals? Which is not true of minerals? Okay. So let's see here. Yes, Adam Wassel.
They are form the nature.
Which is not true. We know that minerals, they are naturally occurring or naturally formed.
They are liquid.
They
They
are
are liquid.
liquids, because we know that minerals supposed to be solid. Okay, so this is the wrong statement, or that the wrong point here. Okay, so question 10. Which of the following is not a class of non-silicate mineral? Which one of these does not belong to non-silicate minerals? Salma?
D.
D, mica. Okay, because we know that mica belongs to silicate minerals. Good. Question 11. Halides form when fluoride, chlorine, iodine, and bromine combine with any of the following elements. Okay, except, so which one of these cannot blend with them to form halides? So the halides, actually they are, once one of the halogen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, they combine with the metal. So which one of these cannot be blend with them? Okay, let's see. Word.
Yes, oxygen.
Oxygen, good. Okay, because oxygen is non-metal too. So all these halogens, the chlorine, bromine, from fluorine, and iodine, they are non-metals, and we cannot find that non-metals they combine together. We need a metal to combine to form halides. Okay, that's good. Here, okay, let's pass to the next question 12. What is a mineral deposit that enlarge and pure enough to be buying more? This one also is cancelled. Sorry. A repeated pattern of atoms, ions, or molecules in a mineral is called, what we call this? Let's see the other people who didn't answer till that moment. Please, could you share us? Question 15. Let's see here. Gasser, could you answer, please?
Me?
Yep.
A repeating pattern of atom, ions, or molecules in a mineral is called crystalline structure.
Crystalline structure, good. Then question number 16. In addition to silicon and oxygen, silicate minerals usually contain, okay, so mainly they contain silicon and oxygen, but also they have other, yes, Marwa?
Other elements.
Other elements, good. Okay. Then halides and oxides are classes of, halides and oxides, they are classes of, let's see. Mark, could you answer, please? Mark, if I called you a third time and you didn't respond, I'm gonna kick you out of the meeting, okay? Mark,
Yes.
could you answer, please? Question 17.
Halides and oxides are classes
Halides,
of.
what are halides? These halides, Halides and oxides are classes of?
Silicate.
No, actually, silicate does not have classes. Silicates just like mica, okay, spar and quartz. But we said that the classes of non-silicate because they are a wide category of minerals that has different chemical compositions. So they are classified into different categories or different classes. Halides, oxides, sulfates, carbonates, native, okay? So like this, we said that halides and oxides, they belong to non-silicate minerals. Is it clear?
Yes.
Question 18. The potentially, question 19. Which mineral is the most resistant to scratching? Okay, the hardest mineral ever is? Yes, Zaina? Zaina? Zaina, could you please answer the question? Last time, then I'm gonna remove you from the meeting. Okay, Yusuf Dahrouk.
Yes, mister.
Question 19. Which mineral is the most resistant to scratching?
Diamond.
Diamond. Good, okay. It's number 10 in the most scale. Okay, the strongest mineral ever. Yeah, then question number 20. Besides air and water, what can change color of a mineral? What else could change a color of the mineral? Okay. So Kareem,
Yes.
answer please. Question 20.
Me?
B, impurity is good, okay. So impurities, okay, they are could change the color, good. Then which of the following is not a type of luster? Which of the following is not a type of luster? Okay, let's see here. Hana Naqib. Hannah,
Yes.
could you please answer question number 21?
Super metallic.
Super metallic, good, okay. Because we have metallic, submetallic, and non-metallic, but there is nothing called super metallic. Good. So, on what type of surface does a fracture happen? Fractures happen on. Yes, Adam. Adam Fahla.
مستر آدم الفحلة.
What type of surface does a fracture happen?
Yep.
On
What?
a smooth,
On
smooth.
smooth. Okay. Do you agree with him, guys?
No curve.
No.
Okay.
It's curved or irregular. We have
Curved.
cleavage and fractures. Cleavages they have on smooth, flat surfaces, while fractures they always happen on irregular, curved surfaces. Okay.
Okay.
Then question 23. What is the softest mineral on the Mohs scale? Number 1 in Mohs scale is? Yes, Ruqayya. I can't hear you. What? Ruqayya, can you hear me?
She said telic. She said telic.
Talc, okay. It's talc B, yes. Question 24. What is the color of mineral powder form? School, okay, once that we just scratch mineral and we get its color in form of powder, what we call this? Yes, Hassan?
Streak.
Streak, good. Okay. Let's pass the next. Which of the following rock is not normally used as, okay, construction material? What of this we cannot use it as a construction material? Let's see here. Who didn't answer yet? Nora, could you answer, please?
Number 25.
Yep.
It's a marble.
Marble, actually, that marble that's look like this one which we have in our side class, our classroom, and the building of our school, the gate, okay, that's made of marble. The main gate is already covered by marble. Your classroom is already covered by marble. So marble actually is used in building or construction. Which one of these cannot be used in construction? It's, who knows, guys?
Limestone.
What? No,
Limestone.
limestone that look like the stones which are used to build, okay, the pyramids, for example, okay. So let's see here, Hassan.
Halite.
Halite is the table salt, okay. So of course we cannot use table salt or we cannot use halite in building, okay, or construction. Question number 26. Which of the following processes changes rock on Earth's surface? What of these changes the rock on Earth's surface? Okay. So let's, yes, Subh.
Erosion.
Erosion, good. Then when sedimentary rock is exposed to heat and pressure, what does it change into? Once sedimentary rock is exposed to heat and pressure, it will be changed into, yes, Ganna?
Metamorphic rock.
Metamorphic
B.
rock, good. Then question 28. Scientists classify rock. So who can continue this statement? Bhumika?
By their composition and texture.
Yes, good, by their composition and texture. So which of the following are ways magma is formed? Okay, which of the following that is a way in which magma can be formed? Yes, Selma?
By change in composition.
Yes, changing in composition. Once the magma or the rocks change their composition, so they form new minerals that could melt in lower temperature rather than the old rocks. So easily they melt and form magma. Good. Question 30. What kind of texture does igneous rock have when magma cools slowly? The magma will cool down slowly, so they will produce a rock which kind of texture? Yes, word? Word.
Yes, Mr.
Question 30.
C, coarse grain.
Yes, coarse grain. Good. We said that because once magma cool down slowly, it have enough time to build up large crystals. Okay, so they have large grains and the texture will be rough or coarse grain. Good. What kind of texture does igneous rock have when magma cools rapidly? Okay, or once it cools quickly. Okay. So, yes, Adam.
It will be coarse grain.
Again, coarse grain, 31.
لا, fine grain.
Fine grain. Pay attention. Okay. Question 32. What kind of rocks formed when magma introduced into other rock? What kind of rock is formed when magma introduced into other rock? Okay, so let's see here. Ibrahim,
Extrusive.
I can't hear you.
Extrusive.
Extrusive?
No, intrusive.
No, it's not extrusive.
Intrusive.
Intrusive?
Yes.
Intrusive igneous rock. Okay, yep. What kind of rock is formed when lava cools on the Earth's surface? Once the lava they form on the Earth's surface, what kind of rock they will be formed? Okay. Yes, Kareem,
Yes.
answer please.
33.
Yep. You didn't pay attention.
Okay. Extrusive.
Extrusive igneous rock. Then question 34. Which process form, okay, sediments or clasts, the pieces of rocks are formed of which of these processes? Yes, Marwa? I can't hear you, Marwa. There is no sound.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you right now. Could you tell me what the answer is?
Cementation.
No, sediments. the
Withering,
piece-
withering.
Withering. Yes, good. Produced by withering. Okay. Then, what are strata? Who can tell me what are strata? Who can tell me? Yes, let's see. Hannah Naqib.
Layers in sedimentary rock.
Layers of sedimentary rock. Good. Question 36. Okay. So, what kind of sedimentary rock can be connected together by calcite or quartz? What kind of sedimentary rock can be formed once the calcite or quartz they are? We call this kind of sedimentary rock is Hassan.
Yes.
The answer.
Plastic.
Hey, I can't hear you. Okay, plastic, good. Then question 37. Okay, what kind of sedimentary rock is made from dissolved minerals? What kind of sedimentary rock is made of from dissolved minerals? Let's see here. Rahma. Rahma.
What?
I can't hear you.
It's chemical.
Chemical, yep. Okay. We have three different types of sedimentary rock: clastic, chemical, and organic. So the one which is formed from the dissolved minerals or the evaporation of salty water and so on, we call this chemical sedimentary rock. Okay. Let's pass to the next. What kind of sedimentary rock is made from fossils? What kind of sedimentary rock is made of fossils? Yes, صبح.
organic.
Good, organic. Good. Then what is the process called in which sedimentary rock are arranged in layers? What we call these features in which the sedimentary rock is going to be arranged in layers? We call this. Yes, Ibrahim.
It's stratification.
Stratification. Good. Okay. Question 40. How did humans use the rocks in the past? Humans in the past always use rocks for Fomika,
To make tools.
to make tools. Okay, good. Okay, so let's pass to another type of question. Okay, because that's we are answered a lot of multiple choice. Let's check some other types of questions here. Okay, let's start to complete.
Mister, can you upload this revision
Actually,
sheet?
this sheet already they are found in your Classera. I collected the different questions from the 6 sheets already, so I just
يعني this
merged
is in
them.
the sheets يعني.
Yes, all these
okay.
questions are found in your sheets. I just merged them. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start to complete this one. Okay, so here we said that a mineral must have a definite. So each mineral must have a definite what structure? Who can tell me? Okay. Yes, what?
A definite crystalline structure.
Yes, crystalline structure. Good. Then a mineral of many given a mineral of any given hardness will scratch a mineral that is than it. Okay. So who can answer this? Kareem. Kareem. Is not here. Okay. So let's pass to the next. Yes, Gasser, could you answer this?
A mineral of any given hardness will scratch a mineral that is softer than it is.
Yes, softer than it is, or less than it is, or lower than it is. Okay, so is it true? Okay. So then a mineral that is composed of only one element is called mineral just made of one element. We call this. Let's see, here are the others who didn't answer yet. Muhammad, could you answer, please?
Yes.
Mineral composed of one element only. So call it.
A native element.
Yes, native mineral. Okay. Then question 82, a mineral streak can be found by rubbing the mineral against a. So we could find the streak by rubbing the mineral against. Yes, Hassan?
Yes.
Yep.
Minerals streak can be found by rubbing against a streak board.
A streak plate.
A streak plate.
Then question 83, all minerals contains one of more of 92 naturally occurring. What minerals are made up of? They are made of different combination of, let's see here. Yes, Selma. Selma.
Yes, Mister.
Yeah, question A3.
All minerals contain one or more of the 92 naturally occurring elements.
Good, okay. Okay, that's enough for today, guys. Okay, so we revised a lot, okay, regarding to the minerals and the rocks. Okay, tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to continue more and more. All these questions are already included in your sheets, okay? So please study your lessons very hard. And if you have any question or something is not clear, you can send to me anytime through our WhatsApp group, okay? So do your best. And I hope everyone, okay, to have a good mark in the exam, inshallah. Any question, guys?
No, Mister, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Boys.